Hey guys, welcome to this session with Boss Your Numbers. So today we're going to look at some fractions, how we can write a fraction in its simplest form, and some other questions on fractions that we'll come to. So let's begin. So the first question that we've got here is to write 12 over 60 as a fraction in its simplest form. The best way to approach these questions is basically to be able to divide both the numerator, i.e. the upper number, and the denominator, i.e. the lower number, by the same number till we can't divide anymore. So what I mean is, so for example here, we've got 12 over 60. So I know that 12 can be divided by 3, for example. So if I divide by 3, I get 4. If I divide by 3, I get 20. So that's 4 over 20. Now, I can keep dividing again because I know 20 is divisible by 4 and 4 is divisible by 4. So you can also put it this way. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. And therefore, that's 1 over 5. Now, I cannot divide this any further. Therefore, this is my simplest form, 1 over 5. Next example is 18 over 40. So, I know I can divide 18 by 2. And that will give me 9. I can divide 40 by 2. And that will give me 20. Now, I cannot divide 9 or even 20 by the same number. Hence, this is the simplest form. Next, I've got 72 over 90. So, I know 72 is divisible by 9, and so is 90. And that leaves me with 8 over 10. I also know that I can keep dividing 8 over 10, and this time I can use 2. That's 4, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So that's my simplest form. Now let's look at some further questions on fractions. So now we're given a list of fractions, and we've been told that one of these fractions is not equivalent to 3/4, and we have to identify this fraction. So the best way to do this is, let's see if we can show any of these fractions in its simplest form. So I've got 15 over 20. Know that 15 can be divided by 5. That will leave me with 3. And this can be divided by 5 again, and that will leave me with 4. So I know 15 over 20 is not our answer, so let's move on. Now I've got 33 over 44. Again, this is divisible by 11. This is divisible by 11. So this will leave me with 3 over 4. Again, that's not our answer. Moving on, got 12 over 16. 12 and 16 can both be divided by 4. And this will give me 3. This will give me 4. Again, this is not our answer. Now, next one, we've got 26 over 32. So 26 and 32. So this one can be divided by 2. So I get 13. And this can be divided by 2. And I get 16. I think we got our answer, guys. But let's solve the last one as well. So 21 over 28. I know this can be divided by 7. So I get 3. And this can be divided by 7 again. I get 4. So our answer is clearly 26 over 32. It's not equivalent to 3/4. Right.